What is the proper way to access the fuse box? In this guide, we will explore where the fuse box is located in the 2024 Ford F-350 and how its diagram is structured. How do you identify the exact fuse for each component? Let's find out. Under hood fuse box. The under hood fuse box in the 2024 Ford F-350 provides easy access to fuses that protect vital electrical systems like the engine, lighting, and fuel systems. It is clearly labeled for quick identification of fuse locations. The box is designed for durability in harsh engine compartment conditions. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box in the 2024 Ford F-350 houses essential fuses for electrical components like lights, power outlets, and infotainment. It includes labeled circuits for easy identification. The box provides overload protection to ensure safe electrical operation.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. Stay road ready with the 2024 Ford F-350's advanced instrument cluster and warning lights, ensuring a safer, smoother driving experience. Thanks for watching.